Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back, traders, to the channel. Today we're focused on Nick Shawn, 66.2k subscribers. My simple start to every trading week. Obviously, the guy's got the Tesla, the Porsche. He's got the LV bags. He's got everything. So obviously, we want to make notes, take some tips off him. If you are new around here, subscribe to the content. But without further ado, let's do it.
Well, hello, my sweet, cuddly, cute, beautiful, aggressive velociraptor. My name's Nick. Here in
Okay, sunshine. Now you've got my attention.
this video, I'm going to be going over my complete pre-market warm-up for the week. I'm going to be showing you my routine. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it instead of making you wait. So, first and foremost, I just want to say this is my only Instagram account. A lot of y'all have been following me on Instagram. Thanks for the love. It's just Nick Shawn FX. All the other accounts are fake. I don't.
Mate, there's so many fakes, man.
I'm not going to message you ever asking you for Bitcoin or anything like that. So don't send your money to anyone. That's my only Instagram account. So last week I called out, I think, a total of 6
TJ.
trades, and 4 of them were profitable. They hit the profit targets, and 2 of them we're still in right now, and they're around break even. I called these in my close friends list on Instagram. More details of that are in the description of the video if you'd like to follow my trades on a daily basis. And what we're doing here is this week what I'm looking for is on GBP JPY, I think we're going to be having a downward move.
My simple start to every trading week. So does he back test? Sorry.
Probably to 160, and then I think we might bounce there temporarily, and then after that I don't know what's going to happen. Reason being is because prices failed to make any new highs. We failed to get past this previous high right here, and we didn't go up last week. Instead, we failed a couple days ago. Now we're back here to the support zone. I think this is more of a minor zone. If we take it off there, we can see the next major one is here around 160 down here. I just have it in place since price has in the past been rejecting there a couple times. But I think we're going to be breaking it and come down here. Then we might bounce temporarily before perhaps continuing even lower. Currently, GBP JPY is making lower highs, so it's logical to think we might be going lower long term. So that's GJ. GBP USD. What I'm thinking is we're going to have at least a little bit of a bounce here at this level, 1.175. We're on a daily chart. I just think we might bounce right there. That's it. If we break that zone, there's no telling how low it could go. GU hasn't been this low in quite some time.
Yeah, man, 100%. So that's quite a good little trade there. Little retest.
If we break below that area, and price can come back and test and start to reject, then we could take break and retest, sell continuation trades. Until then, I think it's logical to think we're going to see at least somewhat of a bounce. Keep in mind we could also pin a little bit below the zone and then still bounce and go up. So we'll just be watching that going into this week. Euro USD. I'm sort of looking for the same thing.
The thing is, right, this is for like the week, and he's on the daily right now. But I mean, all he's showing right now is just back testing before the week
starts. To pile into long positions around 1, and also 0.995, which is around the previous extreme.
I guess what we can learn from this, he's setting a lot of alerts. He's doing multiple levels. He's not just doing the support, the resistance. He's even doing some levels where it might just consolidate in impulse.
On there, anywhere in here, I'm looking to start some small long positions. Then I'm looking to add if we see any evidence that we're going to be rejecting. Euro USD, I think, could have at least a healthy bounce up here to 1.01, and then at that point, I don't know. We might bounce and continue lower. We might go all the way back up to these highs. It's hard to tell what things will go super long term, so that's why it's best to just kind of predict the next movement or the next potential set of movements, and then just leave it at that. You don't want to try to predict too long just because it's really difficult to see where long term things are going to go. For USD JPY, I think one of 2 outcomes can occur. The first outcome, which I think is going to happen, is I think price is going to go short right here at 137. We could also push a little bit higher up here to 139. I say a little bit, this is 200 pips higher, but relatively small move in the chart. And then if that happens, then I think we could come back to 137 before then maybe pausing right there and going back up. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I think it's safe to think price is gonna bounce from right here. We've had like a bullish move up here. Almost every day was blue for like the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days.
Staggering up every
Except for
body
one
high.
day, which was still a bullish candle, just technically a bear closure. I think somebody's got to be taking profits somewhere here on USDJPY, and we closed a little bit of bearish sensitivity last week. If we do continue pushing up a little bit higher, then I would just simply look to start getting into more positions at 139. We need to be careful though, because when we zoom out here on the daily, USDJPY appears to be in an upwards direction. We have since slowed down. We had nice clear direction here, a little bit of a pullback, another clear direction, but now we've had this big pullback. So all UJ could be doing is just starting to go into a range now. So, but even if we don't go into a range, then we can just make another higher high and then come back and find some support and keep going up. So we need to be careful. What I do think is worth a shot doing now is I think it's worth a shot to look for sells here at 139 as well as sells right now at 137. The market opens here in Texas in 2 hours at 4 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. So you can, going into this week, you can look for that. Now, everything else.
Okay, so like, I'm guessing these are like his main pairs: GJ, GU, EU, and USDJPY. Or should we also call it UJ? However, now these are all like the other pairs. I don't know if it's going to trade. It says FX there, but these are also FX pairs. So
AUD-CAD, I see nothing. AUD-CHF, we're coming down here to a support zone just above 0.65.
Look at this AS. Look at that resistance and a drop, pull back.
We may see a bounce there. AJ, I don't see anything. AUD New Zealand dollar, I actually think we're going to be trying to break these highs. AUD USD going sideways. CAD CHF, who the hell knows? That pair's always going sideways. CAD JPY, I don't know. If you look at my charts, you'll see something very simple. Look at what all these charts have in common. Do you see indicators everywhere? Do you see a million different support resistance zones? Do you see really complicated like market maker order flow liquidity bank manipulation strategy with 5,000 different markings trying to show every No, you don't. What you see, simple support resistance zones. I am a trader who has been trading the forex market for 6 years. 4 of them, a little over 4, have been profitable. And what I've learned in my entire career trading is that less is more.
Look at this one quickly.
Entire career.
Push up, pull back, make new highs. New highs 1, 2, touch, rejected bodies, come again, rejected again, was near actually the body here, but also the previous high's lower high. Then look where it's rejected to, all the way from the previous outbreak, pull back, then long. So that's the retest zone.
Career trading is that less is more. The more you do,
yeah, like 100 lots on that,
the more that
like
can
20
go
pips,
wrong.
5 pips.
The less you do in trading, the less that can go wrong. And when you think about trading, it is you looking at a screen and looking at a chart on a screen, asking yourself, do I think the price is going to go up or down? Now you can come to the answer to this question using a really complicated, hard to execute, hard to duplicate system, or you can do a real simple, easy system. All I use is support and resistance, and then a basic understanding of price action. Like, that is price rejecting this zone when it gets there. That's all I do. And my entire trading approach has been based around just simple support resistance zones for the entire time I've been trading. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. It's not right.
Literally what he's saying is how pretty much everyone trades. The people that use like Fibonacci's and stuff, that's just to give them extra confirmations. But like once you get support and resistance and price action, you can just pretty much do
rocket science. You do not have to be very smart to be a profitable trader. You do have to spend a lot of time getting experience on the charts and learning the right things that are necessary and important to know. And if you learn those things, then it makes it way easier for you to be profitable. Now, I've taught for years all of these basic things here on my YouTube channel, but I've consolidated into a more easy way to learn in my free training video. And you can find that video at the link in the description below, as well as other links to other things that I offer. I offer a couple different things, which is a full one-on-one coaching program. You have to apply for that though, and it's really hard to get into because we only take a couple clients per month with me and my team. I also have a compounding course which teaches you my very simple support resistance trading system, and then along with a new momentum system that allows you to compound small accounts really quickly. And you know what? If you just want to watch me trade live every single day, then you can follow me on Instagram, and also in the link in the description below, there's a link that goes to my close friends list on Instagram. It's how to get access to my close friends Instagram stories list, where I literally share all my daily analysis, the trades that I'm taking, everything like that with all the members of the close friends. So if you'd like help with anything in your trading, go look at the links in the description below and you can find something that's right for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a very safe trading week. I'm getting over COVID right now. It has not been fun for a whole week. My body hurts really bad right now and my back is in a lot of pain. It's just been really intense. So I should be good here within a few days, but I enjoyed making this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and consider subscribing. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of videos over the course of this month and also a lot this week as well. They're just going to be real chill, straightforward videos just like this one, where you hop in and we just get right to the point. We focus on what matters. We do less, and that less is way more, which you could probably get on a lot of other channels here on YouTube. We keep it simple, bare bones, right down to just the basics of what's necessary to know in order to trade profitably. And this keeps you happier, it keeps you less confused. Oftentimes it'll make you way more profitable than you've ever been in your life, and all this leads to the end result you want, which is profitability. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos here on my channel. See you in the next one.
Okay, that was mate, honestly, that tone of voice was just so mellow right there. I nearly fell asleep. Great video for Nick. Talked a lot about the basics of trading. Obviously, as he said, took him 2+ years to even get profitable because it takes time, self-development, the psychology, the emotion side of things. It's just a lot to take in, especially when you're winning that dopamine hit and then you keep going, you lose your profits, you blow your accounts, your live accounts, whatever accounts you have. So there's so much to take from this. If you are new, subscribe to Nick, subscribe to myself, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.